Pool here, getting ready to have the drawing for the spider drone. Okay, I am going to have some upcoming giveaways in the near future. One is going to be the Furby F-36. This is going to be one of the giveaway drawings I'm going to have coming up. And going to give away the red herring. So those will be coming up on my channel, so stay tuned. If you didn't make it into this one, hopefully you'll make it into one of these. Now I'm going to have to go over this again. There's going to be some people who watch this video that are going to be upset because they're going to say, well, I subscribed, how come I wasn't in the drawing? And that's very possible. But I've tried to be clear from the beginning that if you subscribe, I need to be able to go to your profile and verify your subscription. Now, some people have commented, said they subbed. I checked their profile. I could not see any content whatsoever. So I replied. They went in and fixed it, and I was able to verify them. Others, I haven't. So, even if you say you subbed, but I go to your profile and it says this channel has no content, I can't allow you in the drawing. I just can't. I got to be fair to everyone. So if that's the case and you feel that's you, that you subbed but you didn't get in this drawing, you need to check your settings so you can get in the next one. Or you may just get mad and unsubscribe. I mean, I understand. You got to do what you got to do. So, with that being said, I'm going to go through and list everyone who is in the drawing. I'm going to read your name. If I read your name, you're in. If I don't read your name, it's because you didn't do something right and I removed your comment. So I'm sorry, but that's just, it's just how it is. Hopefully we can get it figured out to where you'll be eligible for the next drawing. Alright, so let's get ready to do this. Okay, drone pool out. Okay, time for the giveaway. Okay, this is the video that you commented on. Here you go. Spider drone giveaway, viewer's choice. Here are the people that are eligible for the drawing. We have Coast to Coast Drones, I'll Be Droned, Drone Worship, The Flying Tech RC, Roger Martin, Ozzy Mark Drones and Tutorials, Terry McGee, Perth West Oz, David Smith, Pork Sosa TV, Drone Rednecks and the Regulators, Captain Cook and the Regulators, Clint the Night Flyer, Southern Outlaw Drones, Steve Harding, okay, I cannot pronounce your name, but you can see it. Himinanchu Agrul, you're in. Mega Glow Z, Broken Quad, Fleabag Productions, Andrea Lawson, Rick McDowell, Clint Terry, Michael Heltz, Mark Del Combri, Tola Rachel, Scott Winters, Bob Yelkin, Nehemiah Meshach, Matthew Pollock, Paul Yates, Francis Rocky Sano, Big Drone Flyer 77, MD95 TSI and the regulators, Kev 74, Dronin FPV, Homegrown Canadian FPV, Flying the Mavic Safe, Droneography Aerial Meditation, Warry's Ideas, Drone Review Man of all drones. You're in this one this time, bud. And Amon Sinai. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have to share this, copy the link. Okay, go to YouTube, random comment picker. Okay, I have to enter the URL, just copy and paste it. And it's going to search for it. Okay. It ends in 04. Let me double check to make sure that's the right one. Well, it ain't going to tell me. So that's the one. So it says to start the raffle, you pick the random winner by hitting start. Alright. Here we go. I'll hit start. How come nothing's happening? Here we go. You see your name's flashing on the screen. The winner is Michael. Okay, I want to thank everyone for entering this drawing. Congratulations to Michael Eltz for winning the Spider drone. I'll leave my email in the description below. Get a hold of me so I can get this out to you. I just want to remind everyone of some upcoming giveaways. I have the Furby F36. This will be going up for a giveaway soon, and the Red Herring will be going out. Plus, I may have a couple other surprises coming up too. And I need to say something real quick. I need to apologize to Heath, the RC Hunter. I've already touched base with him. Somehow I deleted his comment on accident, and I couldn't figure out how to get it back. So he was left out of the drawing. So Heath, I'm so sorry about that. I don't know what happened. I just going through the comments and I realized yours wasn't there, and I don't know what I did. But man, I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you somehow. We'll figure something out. So Heath, I'm sorry. I apologize. So I guess that's it for now. I just appreciate everyone for entering, all the new subscribers, and I'll do better next time. But so keep an eye out for these two drones coming up on my channel. Okay, I guess that's it. So thanks everyone. Drone Pool out.